Hi, I'm Ryan, a member of the customer service team here at Ceilume, and today I will be showing you how to install recessed lighting with Ceilume tiles in a suspended ceiling. Before I get started, it's important to note that you must use a light fixture that comes with a grid suspension bracket. The bracket allows the weight of the light to be supported by the T-bar grid and not by the tile. You'll also want to choose a tile design that has sufficient flat area in the middle to fit the light opening and trim ring. Today, I'm using Stratford. First, I measure the fixture to determine the size of the opening I need, and then I make a simple cutting template. Next, I use the template to mark the location of the opening in the tile and cut the hole with a utility knife. To install, I simply pop my tile into place in the ceiling grid and position the can light above it. Finally, I attach the trim ring, screw in a bulb, and let there be light. If you have any questions or would like to see free samples, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Ceilume.